Dialing high intent leads and still hearing crickets? It's probably not your pitch, it's your phone numbers. Here are 3 hacks that you should know about to improve your connection rates. Most reps miss the real culprits, the errors that kill your calls before they even start. We're talking disconnected numbers or carrier blocked calls. Stay tuned because we'll show you how to know if these errors are killing your connection rates. Think of every call like a baton passing through the phone carriers. If a handoff drops, the call dies silently. The errors sneak in. You need clean, high-converting calls without the silent failures. Here's a breakdown of these connection killers. First up, disconnected phone numbers or bad numbers. This means the number that you're calling simply doesn't exist. Usually it's bad data, or maybe the list you're dialing from has typos or missing digits, or even outdated info where people have changed their disconnected number. Here's the painful part. Your reps are dialing those numbers that never even had a chance of connecting. Totally wasted time, wasted dials, and your connection rate takes a hit before a single real conversion even happens. Next, user blocked errors. This one feels like a ghost call. Technically, your system says the call went out, but it gets instantly rejected either by the person you're calling or by the carrier. Why? Often it's because your number's been flagged as spam, or maybe you're calling the same people too frequently. It's not that they heard your pitch and said no, the call never even got a chance to ring through. And finally, carrier blocked errors. This is carrier rejection. It's not your fault. These happen when the carrier can't figure out how to write your call. Sometimes it's a regional routing issue, outdated carrier tables, or temporary system bugs. The result? Your call quietly dies before it even reaches anyone. And you get zero feedback that it even failed. Each one of these errors silently chips away at your connection rate. This means the longer ramp time, fewer conversations, and more wasted spend. Well, we have good news. We have 3 hacks that could help you enhance conversations and improve connection rates. Let's break down those 3 hacks that'll boost your connection rates fast. Hack number 1, see what most dialers hide. You're losing calls, but not for the reason you think. With Wave's call error reports, you'll see exactly which numbers are failing and why. These aren't just random dropped calls. You'll see how many are dead numbers that should be cleaned from your list, calls rejected because your number's been flagged, or calls that never connected because the carrier couldn't route them. We call this carrier filtering. With Wave, you take the guesswork out. Now you can clean lists, stop wasting time, and coach your team to be smarter. Break down errors by rep and by list, and pinpoint exactly where your connection rates are leaking. It's like flipping the lights on. Once you know what's blocking your conversations, you can finally fix it. Before we let you in on one of our little secrets, if you are watching this on your computer, you have to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment if it pertains to you. Hack number 2, register your number with the carriers. Think of it like getting verified on social media, but for your phone numbers. Your numbers aren't registered, carriers don't recognize you. And if they don't know you, they're more likely to block you, or even worse, slap you with a scam likely label. This leads to user blocked errors, rejected before the prospect even sees the call. Carrier blocked errors. That's where the carrier can't find the path to deliver your call. Wave handles number registration with all the major carriers. It's like raising your hand and saying, hey, we're legit. We are here to connect and not spam. The trust is built into the system. Registered numbers get flagged less, they connect more often, and they deliver more consistently. Okay, hack number 3, monitor and rotate your numbers to stay trusted. Even the cleanest number can go bad. Over time, if you're dialing heavily and hitting the same leads too often, it's getting marked as spam and your reputation suffers. Carriers are always watching. If your number starts to look suspicious, it can quietly slide into the danger zone. That's when you start seeing silent rejection before the call rings, or calls that go nowhere with no warning. Wave's got your back. We constantly monitor your number's reputation in real time, and if one starts trending toward trouble, we automatically resolve spam flags before you tank your connection rates. And when a number gets too hot, don't panic. You rotate. Wave makes it easy to swap a clean, pre-warmed number so your team stays on track and no disruption. Think of it like this: a real-time spam radar and a pit crew for your caller IDs. One number gets flagged, put it off the track, replace it, and keep dialing. You just heard 3 connection rate hacks that you should implement right away. It can significantly increase your connection rates. Head into your Wave dashboard, open call reports, clean your lists, and get your numbers verified. Then rotate them before they get flagged. It's not magic, it's just smart dialing. Your pipeline's waiting. If you need help getting started, just click the link in our bio and schedule a call with one of our account executives. Smash the like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment with your biggest connection struggle. Let's solve this together. If you like this video, go check this one out, and we'll see you next week.